Imagine losing a lucrative government contract because of a failed CMMC audit or not being compliant at all. The stakes are high, and the risks of non-compliance are real. Let's explore why many organizations struggle with these requirements. CMMC compliance is crucial for securing government contracts. Yet many organizations find themselves unprepared for audits, risking financial loss and reputational damage. Understanding these challenges is the first step towards success. Arrakis offers a unique approach to CMMC preparation. Our three-phase methodology simplifies the audit process, helping you meet all requirements efficiently. Let's dive into how this structured strategy benefits your organization. With Arrakis, you gain a clear roadmap to compliance. Our methodology not only streamlines preparation but also builds confidence for the audit. Discover the advantages of a well-organized preparation strategy. The first phase involves assessing your current cybersecurity posture. Identifying gaps in compliance with CMMC standards is crucial, and producing a detailed report of your cybersecurity posture. A thorough initial assessment sets the foundation for successful remediation. Pinpointing these gaps allows us to tailor a remediation plan. It's the cornerstone of effective CMMC preparation. In Phase 2, we help develop a customized remediation plan and support the effort it takes to remediate issues. Implementing necessary changes helps ensure your cybersecurity measures meet CMMC requirements. This phase is about action and transformation. Pre-audit readiness is key. Conducting a mock audit tests your preparedness, highlighting areas needing attention. This proactive approach minimizes surprises during the actual audit. After the audit, fine-tuning processes and documentation is essential. This phase ensures you're ready for future audits, building confidence and sustainability in your compliance efforts. By maintaining robust processes, you secure your organization's future. Continuous improvement and vigilance are key to staying audit-ready and compliant with evolving standards. Our methodology has transformed organizations, ensuring audit success and securing contracts. Real-world examples highlight the tangible benefits of partnering with Arrakis for CMMC preparation. From small businesses to large enterprises, our clients have achieved compliance and peace of mind. These success stories demonstrate the effectiveness of our structured approach. Let's review the three phases: assessment, remediation, and sustainment. Each step is crucial for ensuring audit success and compliance. Remember, preparation is the key to securing your government contracts. By following this structured path, you'll navigate the complexities of CMMC with confidence. Our methodology not only prepares you for audits, but also strengthens your cybersecurity posture. Ready to ensure your organization is audit-ready? Contact Arrakis for expert guidance and support. Visit our website or email us to start your journey towards CMMC compliance. With Arrakis by your side, you'll navigate the CMMC landscape with ease. Let's work together to secure your contracts and protect your organization's future. Don't leave your compliance to chance. Take proactive steps today to safeguard your business. Our team is here to help you every step of the way. Visit us at www.arrakisconsulting.com or email sales@arrakisconsulting.com. Let's ensure your organization is audit-ready and compliant. Together, we can achieve success. Thank you for watching. We look forward to partnering with you on your path to CMMC success. Remember, preparation is the key to securing your future. Take action now. Contact Arrakis and start your journey towards compliance and success. We're here to support you every step of the way.